If your Guardian garage door opener remote isn't working as good as it did when you first got it, there's a good chance that the battery might be dying or dead. The good news is this is a quick and easy fix, and I'm gonna show you how to do it right now. All you're gonna need to do this is a small flathead screwdriver and your remote. So this is the front of your remote, and if you just flip it over to the bottom, you're gonna see that it has this little groove in it. Take your flathead screwdriver, put it in, and just twist. When you twist it, it's gonna pop it up, and then be really careful because these parts will fall out really easily. So you're gonna flip that part over like that, and see on this one, this little piece fell out, but that's not a big deal. You can put that back in. And when you pull that out, you'll see that you've got this little computer chip here that has your battery in it. Be very careful with this because this piece is loose and it'll just fall right out on you. You're just gonna push on that. You can try and do it with your fingers, or you can just use the tool, which is what I usually like to do. And you can just pull that out. Normally this is gonna be a CR2032, but just check and make sure that you have the same battery on yours. When you get the new battery, you're gonna take the new battery, just push it up in there like that. Put the little circuit board back in the remote. When you go to put these two pieces back together, make sure that your computer chip here is centered in the remote, because if you don't, then it's not gonna clip together on all four sides. So you put that piece there, and it's gonna look kind of like that. Press those two ends together, just like that. Make sure all four edges are sealed together, and you're good to go. If you have any other problems with your garage door or garage door opener, please contact us today. We can help.